All right, charging the Kia to 100%. Right now we are at 6 or 7% state of charge. This time I drove in 100% GT mode. Got 152.1 miles, only getting 2.9 miles per kilowatt hour, and I got 16 miles of range left. So it's a lot of fun to drive around in pure GT mode, but obviously you can see there it's not overly efficient in GT mode, but it is a ton of fun to drive around in. Now, if you were to charge on a 800 volt system, it would take 50 minutes to get to 100%. If you charge on a 400 volt system on a DC fast charger, you're looking at 1 hour and 45 minutes. I'll be charging on a 240 40 amp, actually reduced down to about 37 amps. Level 2 charger, you're looking at 7 hours and 40 minutes. And if you were trying to charge this on a regular household socket, you're looking at 74 hours to get to 100%. So at the reduced charging rate, it's going to take 8 hours and 40 minutes to get to 100%. Currently, I start off at a 7% state of charge. It is getting about 8.3 kilowatt hours back into the battery. And again, it's taking 8 hours and 40 minutes. All right, charge the Kia EV6 GT to 100%. I do have to reduce the output of my Emporia level 2 charger down to 37 amps because of overheating issues at the J1771 and the charge port of the car. But when reducing it, I do get a full charge, but it is slower. I was at a super low state of charge, 9% when I charged up, so looking at 8 hours and 46 minutes to get to 100%, and adding 75.41 kilowatt hours back into the battery, and then it cost $12.06 to charge up. So it charged to 100%. Last time I drove for 152.1 miles, getting 2.9 kilowatts per mile. The car was on for 6 hours and 32 minutes. You can see I'm at 100%, getting 272 miles of range. So for the month of July, I charged my vehicle 8 times, adding 438 kilowatt hours. If we convert that into my average, which is 3 miles per kilowatt hour, you're looking at 1,314 miles that I drove, or the equivalency of what I drove. And then based off of that, I do get charged 16 cents per kilowatt hour. And that equates to $69.85 that I totally spent on charging my EV for the month of July, getting that 1,300 miles, the equivalent range per the kilowatt that I added back into the battery. And based off what my wife is currently spending, between $48 to $52 to gas up her Nissan Murano, it's about say $50 a fill. That would be a $400 equivalent spent in gas over the month of July.